Hello everybody, for this video I'm going to show you how to use Cricut Design Space to take this Midjourney image and put it on a t-shirt. First thing we got to do is we got to upload the image into Cricut Design Space. Once I've gotten the image loaded into Cricut Design Space, what I'm going to do is take out the words in the background. I'm going to cut it out. There's a few ways to do this. This is just one of the ways. I'm going to be showing you guys in my next video how to do this with Photoshop. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the main image because that's what I want. There is some errors in the text, so I'm going to redo the text. So once I get it all cut out and get the image of the skeleton like I want it, I'm going to delete everything else, delete all the other layers, and I'm going to add in the text. Now you can pick any text you want. There is thousands to choose from. Once I get the text that I like, I am going to curve the top text just like it was in the Midjourney image. And also I'm going to put a link to Midjourney for those of you who have never used Midjourney. I'm going to put a link down in the description for you guys to be able to find that. I will go over in an upcoming video what Midjourney is, but for those of you that already know, this is how to take a Midjourney image and be able to add it onto a t-shirt. You don't want a big square on your t-shirt, so this is how to take the background out. One of the ways to how to take the background out and just customize it a little bit to be ready to be put on a shirt. So once I get it all cut out and add the text back the way I want it and pick the color of the text, I changed the color because I'm not putting it on a black background. I'm putting this on a white t-shirt. I'm going to make the text black. I'm going to make them the size I want, size it all up. And then the next thing you got to do is you got to run it through the printer. You got to print it out with your sublimation printer. And then we are going to press it onto the shirt. I'm going to go through all that process. One of the great things about sublimation is there's no weeding like there is with vinyl. With vinyl, there's an extra step where you got to weed out your design. I like how this step or this process doesn't involve weeding. You just print and then you can put it right on the shirt. So we get it cut out and taped down to the shirt, tape it down so it's secure. Once I get all that done and pressed, here's the final product. Turned out absolutely amazing. The colors are awesome, and you can do this with any image. Midjourney is a great place to make images. You just put in the keywords of designs that you want and it will show you a whole bunch of varieties to choose from, and you can keep changing the image and altering it a little bit. I will show you guys that process in another video, but you could make all kinds of shirts with Midjourney. Now, there are other programs to use. I've used a whole whack of different kind of programs. This is one of them. And for my next video, I'm going to show you how to do this process, taking a Midjourney image and using Photoshop to put it on a shirt. So that's going to be my next video. Let me know what you guys think of this design, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day, everybody.